Alright, guys. Happy Sunday to you. Look at what I got for you today, guys. It is going down. Oh, that's a nice pot of collard greens right there. Look at that nice pigtail. That nice ham hock. Got some neck bones in there. I think it's getting down, balling to the nice flavor that I like. I like collard greens with a lot of liquid, guys. I know a lot of people like that pot liquor, but I don't like all of that pot liquor. I put it all down and get all of that flavor married together. Got me some chicken in the refrigerator marinating overnight. I'll take those things out and let them come up to room temperature, fry them up, cook me some rice. Oh yeah, it's definitely going down today. Nice good Sunday afternoon. And I had a dessert video coming up today, guys, but I forgot to get the cream cheese. So I'm going to get that cream cheese a little bit later. Then I'll make that dessert video. And I'll have that posted for you guys to see tomorrow. I think you're going to like it. Nice good cherry cream cheese dessert. And I just know that's going to be good also. Alright, guys, I hope everyone is having an absolutely wonderful Sunday afternoon. I'm about to go finish these collards, cook me some rice, fry my chicken. I got some macaroni in the freezer. I might take out a piece of that. And that's going to be my Sunday dinner. Simple, quick. What more could you ask for? Alright, guys, have a blessed one. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. I mean, leave it right there. Alright, peace.